Hello guys. Here we have a Dell laptop, not charging the battery, working fine, but it's not charging the battery. Let's have a look here. Okay, let's go through schematic. I have a schematic here. Let's say show in open folder. Okay guys, here we are. We have a schematic. So the first thing that you do, you look for a charger section. There will be a section where there is a charging chip. We have to check there. We have to look for a charging chip. Okay, there we are. This is a section, charger chip. And what I'm more interested in, we have to check the charger chip. After a charger chip, check this MOSFET. It's a double MOSFET. It's PQ704 and the chip PU700. Okay, let's look for those two things. PU700. Okay, there's PU700. And anyway, there's nothing suspicious with PU700. I don't see anything suspicious. Okay. PQ704. Let's replace. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we will remove this MOSFET. It's a double MOSFET. It's responsible for charging the laptop. All right. So what you do, you apply some flux here again. It's more fluxy. Then you use your soldering wire. Okay guys, I have another chip. Okay guys, I'm done. So what I did was I removed this chip, the charger, the MOSFET, the double MOSFET. So now I have to put back everything and then test the machine if it's working or not. But I know this machine will work. It will charge the battery. It was working fine, but not charging the battery. In case you have such issue, we have to consider these two things. Check the charging chip and check the charger MOSFET. Those two MOSFETs are responsible for charging the battery, so should be careful there, especially when you are diagnosing a charging issue. Check those two MOSFETs